right, so welcome back to the channel. Today we have another Costco keep or return. This is going to be a nice one. This is going to be the Timber Ridge heated director's chair. Online it is $89.99, in stores for $79.99. Winter is coming, it's getting chilly out, and we thought it would be nice to have a nice heated chair to warm up your booty when you're out for camping, kids sporting events, or even just sitting and chilling in your backyard. Let's see how well it heats up. All right, so my beautiful helper here, she is going to help me open this up so we can test it out. Yeah. Cool. Watch it. Oops. Pops open. Over here we have our side table where you can keep a tablet or phone, your water bottle. Maybe you got like a clipboard for your kids' sporting event. You're the coach or the director of a movie set, who knows? Put my water bottle here. Thank you. And my phone and my glasses. Thank you. And I can even put a tablet right there. Thank you, lovely assistant. We've got, this is where the two integrated heating pads are on the seat and the backrest. Comes with this 20,000 milliamp hour power bank for you to power the heated seats. You just plug it right in here and turn it on. And it can store it here while you power it up. It starts on high, medium, and low. Batteries, you can just plug in your phone to the other USB port here. Dual use. When you turn it on, it starts on the high setting, which is 131 degrees, and it can change up to 95 degrees. You can feel the heat almost instantly after you turn it on. It feels pretty much like a heated car seat if you have heated car seats in your vehicles. I can just imagine sitting by the fire when you're camping and it's cold and getting nice and warm with your blanket and your cup of hot cocoa. Can't wait, can't wait. The chair is nice and toasty, very roomy, nice armrest feature. Height is really nice for getting in and out, especially for older folks who can have troubles getting out of those lower chairs, because this is very sturdy. Nice backrest. Good price for $79.99 in the store and $89.99 online. On Amazon, you can find these running anywhere from $60 to $100+, and some of those aren't even heated. And it comes with an extra power bank, which could easily cost you another $20-30. Hold it back up. Bam. Easy to pack and store and weighs about 9 pounds. Nice to take on our next trip. Fits in there nice and well. So you have room here for a couple chairs and even your picnic bag, and throw your child in there for your next sporting event. See you there. This is going to be a Costco keep for us. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, it helps out the channel, and subscribe. Let us know in the comments what you think and if there's any other products you'd like us to review for the Costco Keep and Return series. See you next time.